the flyest to ever walk in here. You might be listening, wondering who the fuck this is. Might make you.
Thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. If you're familiar with me, thank you for following me on this journey. If you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I got nothing but crazy cool content for y'all. I promise you, man, from some of the coolest comic book covers to some of the freshest and flyest fitted hats that you've probably not seen too often. So today we're gonna jump straight into this, man. I came and man, the excitement is high right now for this bad boy. Right, I came in, this box was here. I'm gonna bust it open for y'all, man. We ain't gonna talk too much. As y'all see who it's from. It's from Exclusive Fitteds. So shouts out to the few people I know over Exclusive Fitteds. My numero uno, my comrade, my cap comrade. I'm not gonna mention no names. You know what I mean? It's a respect thing. But we're gonna jump straight into this, man. This is highly anticipated. Probably one of the best logos I've seen. One of my favorite logos. You see Jackie Robinson behind me. If you watched my previous videos, you know what it's about, man. Yeah, I'm gonna bust it open. Y'all read the title. Y'all know what this is right now. I'm giving y'all one of those exclusivities, man. Again, everybody ain't got their hands on one of these. Mind you, there's a lot of people that do. A lot of people, you know, I can't even say a lot. Let me not say a lot. I feel like less than 200 people on earth got one of these. Absolutely. This size, this exact model, and boom. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Don't say too much. I ain't gonna say too much. But oh my God. I don't know if y'all get that glitter popping off of this right now, cause man, can y'all see that gleam? Can y'all see that thing hit different? Yo, this one hit different. You gotta merch it. This one hit different. Y'all see that? Whoo! It should look like diamonds. This hit different, y'all. This hit different with the purple UV. You see what's? Come on, man. Y'all stop playing. Come on with the purple. Come on, man. This hit different. This one of those, man. That thing, you ain't gonna walk down the block every day and see somebody with one of these. Now you got the entire black crown. This is like a stone, grayish kind of shade. It might look white from over there, but I promise you it's not, because his face ain't white. So it's kind of like, you know, the colors are playing off each other. That's why you got the purples and the yellows right there because of that. You got his face ain't white. It's like a stonish, grayish kind of face on a bison. That's what the visor is. The undervisor is that purple. Again, you see the colors, man. They play off the purples collectively throughout the hat. Then you got the minor league baseball logo on the back, also rumored to have been Jackie Robinson. If y'all don't know, man, y'all don't know. But I'm telling y'all, man, the history of this man is iconic. The history of this man right here, iconic, boy, iconic. How he changed the game, what? Forever, forever. So this is, again, one of the few examples, man. If you guys know, you know. This is rumored to have been modeled after his infamous slide. You know, this man was a slider for real, from stealing bases to actually being an amazing all-star player, MVP player. This right here is the minor league logo. Whenever you look at it, it's actually colored. So we do not know who that actually is modeled after, but you see those 5 stars on the back. Now this right here, man, this hat is just, damn. Like I said, this is honestly probably one of the best Bisons I've held in hand. So shouts out to the guys over at Exclusive Fitteds. This right here was absolutely well done. And there's actually a pin in here that says good for one fair. Ooh. Is this the coin for the River Styx? Is that what this is supposed to be? Can y'all see that? It says good for one fair on it. But yo, this hit different. This hit different, boy. I promise you. Like I said, that thing hit different. Shit like diamonds. You ever seen Twilight? I believe it was called Twilight with the vampires. How it was so weird how they didn't turn into fire. They weren't really even scared of the sun. They was just glittery up. That's how that is, man. That thing hit different. But look, man, I ain't gonna keep y'all. Stay tuned for my next video. I got some stuff coming up, and I've been promising y'all some designs. So listen, we are on a countdown for that, man. We are literally on the countdown right now as I speak to you. Stuff is being worked out, stuff is being made. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna let you guys see what my mind has conjured up. Some of the ideas I like to see, and some of the stuff I want to see implemented on fitted hats. But yo, peace and love. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and yo, I'll catch you guys on the next one.
I'm the flyest to ever walk in here. You might be listening, wondering.